Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mr. E. This is Mr. E's EDC, and today we're going to be talking about this, the Cafflano Klassic portable coffee maker. I've already unboxed it. It arrived a couple of days ago. Tried it out yesterday and I'm very impressed, so I thought I'd do a little video just to give you a bit of an insight into it. So it's a double-walled mug with a lid which doubles as a pourer. This is what you put your hot water in, and there's a very small opening there which acts as a spout and gives you a consistent, steady flow of water, because this is a pour over coffee maker. It's also got a little lid which screws onto the bottom, which you can place on the top to help you to pour the water. So that's that bit. Inside that is a grinder built into the mug, screws into place. The grinder's adjustable. You take off the little nut there, lift the handle off, and then use the dial there to dial in your grade of ground granule size. There are markings in the side which you probably can't see, but basically 30 grams of beans, give them a grind up, and they in turn grind into this bit, which is your filter. It's a permanent filter. It's laser etched fine stainless steel with a plastic surround, which in turn sits inside the mug. So there's the mug, rubber base, non-slip. Filter goes into there and the grinder goes on top. Now, we love coffee. There's all sorts of fancy coffees out there. I'm not endorsed by these in any way, but we do like the Co-op fair trade, rich and intense Italian style coffee beans, and they're really good in this unit. So pour your beans into the grinder. Now, I've had a couple of grinders in the past. This is probably the best one I've ever had. It's smooth. You don't get that jarry, jammy, sticking effect. It just works really, really well. Very easy. The mechanism's really smooth. The grinders are ceramic, not steel, so, and it just seems to go through the beans without any problems at all. These are going down quite a bit. I'll probably speed this bit up in the video. It really is a dream to use. So, getting towards the end now. As you can see, none of the beans are jumping out. They just seem to gently slide down into the reservoir, in between the grinders, out through the bottom and into the filter. There's no issues at all. Very comfortable. Almost there now. There's me saying they don't jump out and one of them's just jumped out. Well, hey ho. Still not bad for an open top grinder. There we go. Give it a little tap just to get the bits out. And there we have ground coffee all ready to go. Now I've already boiled up some water. So quite literally fill the kettle. I generally do it to the just below the spout. Pop the lid on just to help. There's a little breather hole in there as well, and you pour. Now what I like about this is it becomes a bit of a ritual for making your coffee. Slowly pour it over, get a nice coffee bloom going, and just sit and wait for that to drip into the cup. I'm quite fussy with my coffee. I'm no expert, not by a long way. Don't even pretend to be, but I know what I like. And these co-op beans are reasonably priced, and they go a long way. And the taste is excellent. It's great in an AeroPress, but I really like this coffee in this gadget. The flavour's great, and plus the fact where you got to wait for it to filter through tends to cool it down a bit more, so it's easily drinkable when it's finally through the filter. Pour a bit more water on there, and if you're so inclined, you can do a bit of morning meditation while you're waiting for your coffee to filter through into the cup, ready to start your day. So, comes in two colours. I chose red because it stands out. Also comes in black. I'd really like the blue one. Go with the t-shirt, goes with my camper van, but it's only a choice of two, so I went for the bright one. Very well made, extremely well made. The grinder is excellent. I did see a video where somebody complained about the grinder not being completely level, slightly bigger on one side, so he didn't get a consistent grind on his beans. Personally, I haven't noticed that with mine, and I think that's being just a little bit fussy, if I'm honest. But maybe it's because I'm not that serious about my coffee. I just like a good cup of coffee. But yeah, who knows? As far as I'm concerned, it's absolutely fantastic. Now, it's not cheap. I'll tell you that now. Is it worth the money? Yes, I think so. Craftsmanship's excellent. The quality checks obviously work, because I cannot find a fault with mine. It's absolutely perfect. Double wall insulated mug, so it keeps your coffee hot. Everything fits, everything works. All in all, yeah, pretty good. But it all depends on whether you're prepared to spend that little bit extra, I suppose. But yeah, it's just a case of time now. Wait for that to filter through, and obviously you can adjust the grind, make the coffee grind a little bit bigger so it goes through a little bit quicker. But I've just had a quick play with this, and I think I've pretty much hit it off where I want it to be very, very quickly. So I'm not going to mess about with the size anymore, simply because it seems to be working really well. But that's filtering through, as you can see there, down into the cup. Once it's in your cup, you can water it down. So you could, if you wanted to, pour it into 2 mugs, half each, top it up with water, then use cream, coffee mate, milk, whatever you fancy. And or you can just drink it as it comes. Get your morning coffee buzz going. What I also use the kettle for, I call it a kettle because it holds the hot water, is once the coffee's filtered through, I'll pop the filter in there just to catch any spare drips or anything that come through. So we're about there. That can sit in there, and then we've got a nice cup of hot coffee, which tastes absolutely amazing. So there it is, Cafflano Classic. Hope you like it, hope you enjoyed the video, and it's early December, so I'm going to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hopefully 2022 is going to be a lot better for all of us, and hopefully I'll be making a few more videos as well. Take care, thanks for watching, don't forget to click and subscribe, and see you all in the new year. Take care.